In the hush of twilight, when the rain begins to fall, I take a stroll beneath the skies, where whispers softly call. The patter of the droplets, a gentle serenade, as they dance upon my umbrella, in melodies they cascade. Oh, the evening rain, a lullaby serene, guiding steps in rhythm, a tranquil, soothing scene. With every drop that kisses earth, a symphony unfolds in the quietude of twilight, where peace and beauty mold. The streets adorned in silver, reflecting evening's glow, I wander through the misty veil, where dreams and shadows grow. Each footstep a percussion, on pathways wet and clear. Echoes blend with rainfall, a melody sincere. Time slows to a whisper as I walk this calming tune. The city's rush diminishes beneath the silver moon. Lost within the moment, amid the rain's caress, I find a tranquil solace in nature's soft finesse. Oh, the evening rain, a lullaby serene, guiding steps in rhythm, a tranquil, soothing scene. With every drop that kisses earth, a symphony unfolds in the quietude of twilight, where peace and beauty mold. So let the raindrops linger in their gentle, tender fall, a song of evening solace, where hearts and spirits call. For in this tranquil journey through the whispers of the night, I find a soothing melody in the rain's embrace so bright. So let the raindrops linger in their gentle, tender fall, a song of evening solace, where hearts and spirits call. For in this tranquil journey through the whispers of the night, I find a soothing melody in the rain's embrace so bright. Ooh, ooh.